and welcome to Excel in Excel. In this video, we are going to learn few date-related functions. So first we are going to learn today function followed by day, month, year and date. So before understanding how do they work, let us understand what do they mean. So today function returns today's date. Day function returns the day of the month from 1 to 30 or 31. Month function returns the number of month of the year, that is 1 to 12. The year function extracts the 4-digit year from a given date. And the date function returns a date with 3 components, year, month and day. Now that we understood what they mean, let us understand how are they used. So here is a data set in which we have a few companies' name with the number of shares purchased and the date of purchase of those shares. So first we are going to understand what is today function. Like how does today function work? So for getting today's date, that is the current date, we have two methods. Either we can use the shortcut control and semicolon to get today's date, or we can use the today function, that is equal to today. Hit the tab key to select the function. Here we do not have any arguments. We only have to write a opening and closing parentheses and hit enter. So this also gives today's date. Now what is the difference between two is when you enter today's date using the shortcut, the date becomes static. That is, it does not change with every day you opening the file. Whereas when you use the today's function, it becomes volatile. Every day you open and close the file, the date keeps changing. So if you open the file tomorrow, it will display tomorrow's date. Similarly, if you open it day after tomorrow, it will display that date. Hence, today's function is pretty volatile. Next, we have the day function. So let's say I want to extract the day from the given date. So I write equal to day. Hit the tab key to select. It asks me for a serial number. As we know, date is a serial number and we also have made a video on date formatting. So if you haven't seen it, please do go and watch it. So I input this date, close the parentheses and press enter. So you can see it had returned me a date. So if you want to copy it down, if you want to fill other cells, you can just double click on the right corner of the cell and it would fill all other cells. Next we have the month function. So if you want to extract the month from a given date, you can write equal to month. It again asks for a serial number, so you can give a reference to this date. Close the parentheses, press enter and it would return the month from the given date. Similarly, fill the other cells. Next comes the year function. Similarly, you can write equal to year. It also asks for a serial number. You can input the date, close the parentheses, press enter and it would return you the year from the given date. Now what if you want to combine these components and form a date? So for that we have the date function. So what we would do is write equal to date. You can see here it asks for 3 components, the year, the month and the day. So first I input the year, comma I input the month, comma I input the day. Close the parentheses, press enter. You can see it had returned me the date. So let me fill down the year and fill down the dates. So this is all about the day, month, year function, the date function and the today function.
If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to the channel for instant updates. See you in the next video.